My name is Nachanakian. I'm the General Manager of Al Qasr, Jumeirah Al Qasr in Medina Jumeirah, Dubai.
Well, good morning, and thank you very much for joining Breaking Travel News today. We're here on the first day of ITB Berlin 2019, the biggest trade show here in Europe. How important is it for you to be here to connect with your partners from within the industry?
As you said, it's one of the biggest trade shows in the world, and Germany is one of our important source markets. It's the fourth in our top 10 source markets for Medina Jumeirah and Jumeirah as a whole.
A lot of headlines coming out of the hotel this year. You just completed a very extensive renovation of the property. What can you tell us about that?
We have renovated successfully 292 rooms, the royal suite with a 3-bedroom, the presidential suite with 2-bedroom. It went very successful. We did it in 2 phases, so in 2017, 2018. Kept the Arabian spirit of the rooms and the resort itself. Al Qasr also part of the experience, the 18 gold horses and the 5-ton chandeliers when you enter the lobby. The feedback from the guests so far since we reopened in November was very positive and very successful.
And who do you tend to welcome to the property? A lot of leisure guests, MICE? What sort of demographics are you seeing there?
In terms of market research, we welcome different type of guests. We have a lot of leisure. We have also MICE. We have big groups coming in because of our conference and event facilities of the resort. That's one of the biggest in the UAE. And of course we have corporate guests, but all depends on the season and the year.
It's a very exciting time for Dubai. Expo 2020 finally just around the corner. Will that bring benefits to Jumeirah as a brand?
Of course. Jumeirah is a local brand. It's focusing on the expansion of the brand, and we have different focuses this year. We are focusing on we launched a new culture of service beyond expectation. We are focusing on food and beverage, and this will only give a positive popularity for Jumeirah in the UAE.
Thank you very much for your time this morning.
Thank you very much.